Hello, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians. Good evening, good night, good morning from wherever you're watching this live video impromptu. I'm coming with joy that we are actually teaching Yaoundé a lesson, and Yaoundé is now so scared of us Southern Cameroonians. And at a time when we're supposed to put in more efforts, at the time when we're supposed to harness our resources, at the time when we're supposed to make sure that Yaoundé understands that we are not joking with them, at the time when we hope that we have to give a final push to make Yaoundé feel a little bit of what we are feeling, what has happened today is taking many of us aback. I want first continue for thank all our people for Ground Zero. Now we need to give some of we hope for stand for continue for be inside this struggle. I want equally for talk to people who don't die, make them no feel say they don't die in vain. We all which way to go on for Ground Zero, I stand now with Ground Zero. Because if you look at all which way they happen for inside diaspora, it be like say we go build many hospitals them for keep some of our people then we it be that they don't lost their senses. And the way thing that they go, it be like some of we go decide for take a position. It no go be far from now. Because when we try for bring peace among ourselves, they try for see how which they go. Some people then they will it be like say they want play with this revolution. They joke with people where they don't die. They joke. At the time where Yaoundé they be exposed how they talk say transparency don't bring people them. Where transparency say no like people them. At the time when Maurice come to Rome declare a candidacy or say don't win election, go supposed for give the push, make it take the struggle across the Mongo. Made a start for that their own side. It be unfortunate which way they happen. I want to talk something where anybody where you get here make you hear. We are so disappointed with the attitude of some so-called activists. Activists now people where they supposed for stand for the truth. They're supposed to stand in between. They're supposed to stand for tell people, enlighten people. But I want to talk precisely for the attitude of Mr. Capo Daniel and a Colonel Vera, and so other people that they can bring disturbance. See, people don't already secure opportunity to go talk for United Nations, no matter how the past for good in. The fact that say a case was to be stated, we get for go discuss, make Ground Zero the year very well. These same people so pick their phone, call United Nations, call the office. They don't spoil all thing. And then it come do all they talk how they threatening. The time don't reach where any man where they disturb the struggle. Some people go die natural death. They will sleep so no woke up. We no continue to pay the heavy price. People no go take risk to fight for Ground Zero. And then some people know that they come out, they can't talk. An activist when he walk now for talk about the interim government should never be taken seriously. I'm saying this, I'm really disappointed with the attitude of Capo Daniel. It has been going on. And then listen to the kind of grammar where they can talk. What kind of grammar where they talk? When I first learn grammar, when I first take dictionary, read, look at the meaning of words. No difference between syntax, subject, verb, agreement. Mr. Capo Daniel, I'm very disappointed. I don't get plan for harm you or do anything for you. I don't talk the other day say, all what you want to do. History is record them. Now why Ground Zero? So I don't hear old you they come out but they threaten instead they go kill una. They insult una. Why did they insult me, for instance? Also other people them. They even cause some of una woman them. Una find woman them marry time, make some of una find woman them marry time. That thing that will be at the same. When I will get some degree of responsibility. I cannot believe what is happening. Say they will organize meeting, Capo Daniel go come out, they say never talk about activists. If they continue with this attitude, some of us go face to face. If your activism is for the interim government, then we will stand firm for the interim government. Me, I not support anybody. I support that person way it take the struggle forward to a sense of direction. If you argue, go for Capo in Facebook page. Every day na the interim government, Sako don't shit, Sako don't peace, Sako don't go up, Sako don't come back. This has to end. It just be they say they won't pay on some money for the do it when they do. What is all this? With the kind of grammar that it talk, it cannot even pronounce decolonization. He pick phone, send email, oh Eugene. Ifokwa. Another year for Facebook say man put him say Capo Daniel Eugene Ifokwa. Two people they do, two man picking them. They get one Facebook page. Una be very, very careful. Una be very, very careful. You know what I do? It really be disheartening. I know they support any man because the very thing they do also today. Una remember the other time we agency go for on poll for go register, re-register we. At that time, the press secretary for interim government come up and criticize, saying on poll and NGO, me, I be oppose that move. When somebody goes to somewhere, you can bring a fight to add. So my brother asked you to go that place, take the fight to Adam. We are fighting for the same thing. But for people like Capo Daniel for take upon themselves for the destroy this revolution, ground zero, we not take care for everybody. We not begin watch, keep records. We have had enough. The destruction on ground zero is quite much. Tina do me at the here they can't talk say make they give their weapons, make they give their gun them. Nobody is saying how did General Nyambere he take that weapon them. They are ashamed. We no go be people that they can't fight. Una they commode camp for people that I don't tell una. I tell all them. The day end of una go enter inside Bafut, my own local government area. Una go hear from me. You will hear from me. Now me Solomon I'm about to talk. I need when I also come on Facebook. I need come on Facebook and keep talk. If you know where, you go cure yourself. It is unbelievable. I know the support what an interim government whatsoever, but this attitude of these guys must be put to an end. When they come out, when they want to go capture people, people that go shit off for that village, arrange themselves for fight against army when they come. When they come out, capture them. This boy fight for ground zero. I know they support anything where they do, anybody do way wrong. When I don't get me wrong, but this very Capo Daniel, Capo first now which kind name? Capo na name for Caporal Chef. This guy is making us to get on our nerves. Not be only you one, and the other people they make where they work for your back. With Tapang Ivo, not the thing way to do. So he go come after you. He go come after all una. And they talk because people they call me for ground zero. They complain for me. And they talk very seriously. Una behave on yourself. We don't get fed up with your attitude. Activists when he work every day in interim government. Sako don't go peace, Sako don't shit, you are not an activist, so you be civil liberty activist with the kind of grammar you speak. And the other one will say be colonel where they can't take dollars to put up for fun Facebook. You all of you are a joke. We'll get a matter where Maurice Kamto don't win an election. We're supposed to give you a push. We're supposed to tell Francophone them for diaspora. So when I send money for ground for support when I people them, may they resist. Would come teng that they come out, the wear coat and country cap. Una be very careful there. Una be very, very careful. Me, I know they come out for can talk about people, but una don't do overdo. You people have overdone it, and if you don't change from that attitude, I am telling you. The attitude was wrong. The IG attitude where it do for call on poll, it was wrong. We cannot condone that. Let everybody do your own. And now they talk, some people they cry today. The attitude that you do is the same thing they do to you. And they tell even the surrogate of the IG, surrogate the man if he show a face. Now person where he just walk and mumu, if he get control of himself. where you just taste until you go to talk, you don't even know the consequences on your own self. We have to behave ourselves like a people. We have to show decencies. I don't disrespect any man saying he work for the Republic whatsoever. We get a challenge at hand. They kill people then. And then these guys just, even a money they pay, una the reason. Una be very, very careful. And I don't talk for this struggle, for the Southern Cameroon struggle. It be written and not written. Say, na person for Southern zone go be for front. Na so it day. From Paluma, move to Ayamba, move to all that part them from Southern zone. So it be to Sisiku. And then people them for the northern zone they will be for back for strategic reasons. What is happening now where power monger them from the northern zone and from the northern zone? Do not make that mistake. Born and bred, but the attitude of the power mongering for people in the northern zone, like how we want to be talk. You are a disgrace. Una leave the interim president to work. If you have your own movement, continue to lobby your own this thing. All this interfighting, you're not going to stop them. You people have to stop it. I hardly can do video, but you don't get to a point where we need to tell these guys. What is all this? We never level where they keep people there every day. They can't snap and they can't keep people them. Mago wear country cap with coat, can they talk rubbish all the time? So you want accountability, you want to get roadmap. Take your roadmap to Buea. Una tell that Capo Daniel, the news I'm getting from ground zero is not a good one for him. And all the colonel, if they fix it, they play na play. We can't continue like this. They will go see us divided. It is too much. And I don't tell them how they own work and say they go capture people in their area them. The day they go enter from my own local government area of my block, they will hear from me. And me, I know the play. I know the camp for Facebook, camp begin to joke with them. Because when I come for Facebook, I don't even know. Paul Bian know people they know who they were, the strength of each and every one. They consider him as a clown. But he has been disturbing. It is do investigation. Can he investigate? If you call investigate, you come out the result. They get evidence that they want to write the criticizing them. And at the time, even the put for the IG, even the put for the interim government, they work and do that in them. You see, Secretary Chris, he don't humble himself. He don't understand. Say a position warranty for show a level of understanding, maturity, and decency. I clap for you. And that's so they get for B. Allow people to work. Allow people to work. Leave agency, una do na own. IG una do na own. We'll get to Buea. Me, I don't care who takes us to Buea. I do not care whether the cat is black as long as you can catch mice. But you guys, the way you are doing it, the amount of power, even if they don't promise one the minister post, can you be a minister? Man, like couple be minister. Even if they don't just catch in a town and have some place. I don't talk the other time say make a Comrade Ayaba call Dr. Sako, made a sort the two they happen for ground zero. It not be a good sign. We must be humble. Now what kind of people than this? I want to come out and go to some people on Facebook say, you don't start for that side. I want to come my hello, this is your civil liberty activist. Civil liberty activist my foot. With the kind of grammar he speaks. When I find woman in maritime, na me I talk so. All the activism when I find woman in maritime. If you not married, find woman maritime. Because part of the mental torture way you go through. What was happening? It's unbelievable. Get responsible. Make some what is all this? I will come for Kabiki attack Yaoundé the way they kill people them. Kill even francophone them. I want come out this is your civil liberty activist. Now some new civil liberty activists who contribute for hate. My friend, be very, very careful. I'm telling you this. We are a band of other activists, so-called activism, and that's why people are doing audios and even insulting your wives, insulting even the private part of your wife, because you are a disgrace. So you go University of Buea. You are not from UB. UB Mawe graduate from University of Buea cannot do some of the things you are doing. You cannot. An Anglo-Saxon person has a certain degree of moral decency and decorum he demonstrates in public. That is why when you graduate, they say this person is worthy of character and learning. That is a book there for your head, and your attitude, it shows that the book don't enter inside you, and you be capable of using the book to transform society. What kind of, if they say they want to write history for Southern Cameroon today, what kind of history do you want to be written about you? What kind of history do you want? A freedom fighter is not a politician. Me, I'm not involved in politics, whether it's the whatsoever. But the voltage ambition of some people to want to be on the lead, to get power, that power mongering for the northern zone, you people have to stop it. The other man go woke up consulting from the grave. He comes and made a divide money. He made a share money. The same people, they insult the interim government. We have refugees in Nigeria. Who among you, the other organizations, is helping the refugees? Which man? Who of them? They all have a wait with smoke confusion day. They come in, put fire. Who among the other movements? Now they see they also do fundraiser for help the refugee, which is good. But you cannot leave the interim government to work. The guys are trying. I know the confirm say I deal with them already. They know my position. I tell them as it is. When it go wrong, I tell them face to face. I told Secretary Chris, that Secretary Chris, please, my dear brother, for the sake of the people who are dying, please show us some decorum. This is not time for sarcasm. And he understood. And he's making the changes that we need. But so put a fee over get the over day. No. An activist who does not respect himself, you know. If he talks about the trouble about the IG, he doesn't know anything. He sits and listens to rumors. They plot, they do this. What is all this? Make Capo Daniel in particular, they be chief of orchestra for that they are mad. They do them. They should leave this struggle alone. They should even leave Facebook and go and rest. It's too much. We cannot come on Facebook and read that they have attacked President Biya, they have done this, the struggle is going forward. Or push the struggle forward. I cannot support their action. I will never support the move of anybody going to infringe on people taking forward the struggle. But may they know, say the interim government, despite all the mistakes that they make, if una face at the play, make all the leaders them, make Komaracho Ayaba resign, Sako resign, Akwanga resign, Bo Hemet resign, and then make we see how many of the movement go get new leadership. We are not talking mouth. We don't see this movement from maybe today. How it go? Maybe they behave themselves. Let people behave themselves. They watch na Capo Daniel. Hello, Capo Daniel, civil liberty activist. My friend, go and look for work and do and get a woman and get married if you are not married, okay? And you Vera, you're already an old man. You guys are pissing us off. People they come on ground and say, what is happening? The phone calls are coming in too much. I need to tell you in public, I've kept this. I don't come to talk about people. Because my target is Biya. If I go take Biya head, pin up a stick, now I go do one. We are fed up with anybody, whether from the interim government or wheresoever way they disturb the struggle. We will start facing you one after the other. I don't talk and I know the joke. Those who know me know me. I need to come for Facebook, can't be kidding, make joke. If you don't feel as to continue the struggle, go and rest. He called just once. He called just once. If you don't feel, if you don't tire, go rest. The struggle will go on. Any man get role for play. But we will not continue tolerating some people who don't even have a sense of decency and moral rectitude. They don't have moral authority. With the other, they will not invite people them. They would have a forum for activists. Only them so they leak information outside. They send people their audio outside. Mark and Eric get small misunderstanding. The same people suspiciously send audios outside. The other day, they invite people for Zoom conference. The first communicate commander for some forum will know the people. how evil are you? When I think about people they die for ground, so when I want to take power, and they ask say, oh, now what I made that. So if we already stand so for election, can any of you making noise win me for election? What you have done to the people, what the people on the inside that cause the confusion, you cannot win all of you. I challenge all of you. Some will go for election. We are tired of this shit. When I take up, tell him that me, Solomon, I tell you, if you know behave itself, the other person that the other one, I don't wait for them again. May they behave themselves. You are putting yourself to video. It's a shame. I'd be so ashamed of Una. Una not to be revolution. Una be very, very careful. Now the last one you couple, if you continue, it go be now fire me, I fire you. But people know we should not go to war. Some better things say we don't get a giant step forward. I want come now, think they can't talk, say this and this and this, say they investigate. Can you investigate? Or because we right? You feel investigate, or because you travel up and down. You see anything will come to come. Post all kind of video the way they expose people then. Any small you don't run go post them. Any small you don't come on Facebook. The work behind is more than the work you are seeing in front. I know we'll talk plenty. I just kind of pass this message for Capo Daniel and Colonel Vela. If they like me, they make life, call my name. All man for ground zero, it talk against them. All man, look at the confusion those for ground zero. So I don't talk what I get for talk for them. Now, at the time for we for look forward. What will be the way forward for this struggle? Ground zero, when I no warrior, all the people they say they go fade, they say they go tire, and then the words for woman and children they involve inside. I'm not a politician, me I'm not involved in politics. Before 2016, when I find out who be the duty for this struggle, find out, and the woman and children the kid they are picking them, they therefore the inside division. Cause confusion. Do auto then they threaten people. They say if they don't give their gun them, how will a gun do reach for the other people the hand? All the children that they do them at the street talk. All the people them way. I know I'm Gabonese. I don't need any post. I don't need any post in whatsoever. I want practical men and women whose solutions are dictated by the actual conditions existing in our country back home. I want them. What do I do with the post? So what the devil Italian government, they don't take post for minister. They cannot do anything. They are just there looking at me. When I step down, people who are active should take over position. I don't need position. I don't need any appointment. I don't want anything. A freedom fighter is different from a politician. When I look at people manipulate or bring them, we are tired of this manipulation, this evil. When the workers spread them, bring division, and we must stop them. Nobody said it consider the minority, you know. Massa, alala. So, ground zero. When I don't worry, even I tell them small. So the struggle I say, for now, would it come now? For make sure say we take the struggle forward. Or to not for diaspora. I don't just go be say for ground zero. When they sell that money, what they send, if they face that money, they make on the fight. When I deny the money, see what I will die. Not now, I organize October 1. Not now, I organize October 1 for ground zero. That is the spirit. Now, only when I saw the gift of we hope for continue, they can't take this to say our face for the wish people for behind people them. We are tanganji them. Now, when I for ground zero, they give people we hope. And we go stand when I for ground zero. All these people for diaspora, so when I begin no separate the goat from the sheep. People that they come make una get hope for move on. The one the way that they make una confused, una just forget about them. At times don't even listen to them. But we need to tell them because you don't get to a point. What kind of power mongering? They want to be president. They talk president. You know what it mean for people that they lost their life, they for down, they need a job, they sleep inside bush, they die. People they bury, so there is some mass graves, and And the people are there, instead of taking the struggle forward, they regard the cause na confusion, the disturb. I say, you don't bad, they can stop him. Capo Daniel, this message now for you. Intellectual wise, I say, if you want to face me face to face, call, make me a program, make me an interview. You are coming to Babel to come and be talking mixed past tense with future continuous tense, confusing ground zero. And the people are following you. What else are following you? All that things end up on Facebook. Say they don't promise they will make the minister. I don't need any post from anyone. I will stand. If Sako make anything wrong, I will tell you. I don't tell Dr. Sako, make it stop this thing for the camp television every week. Rest. Begin to reflect. Make God give you inspiration. Make the people who say they don't take yourself hostage. You will be free. Stay up there at the state in public. Let your vice president run your government. Pick your phone, call the ministers, give them instruction. Then it come back, give you a report. Don't be wasting time to attend meetings that wasting your time with Zoom meeting on your ear. You are the president. Sit up. Don't allow these guys with power mongers around you to take you hostage. What will you do to me? Nothing. It's the truth. I want to be careful, strategic in what you need to do. Very, very strategic at this stage of the revolution. We trust, say, as you did for day, you take we to the point we want to go to. No movement is perfect. You know, no movement is perfect. But therefore, we first have to destroy the other person. Now, there is more we go opposed to. I'm not going to support anybody that don't talk about the attack, the agency or whatsoever. No. But the surrogates of the agency, they spend their time na interim government na my to boya. Una can't give una own record. We do see them. Not that 2016 when we start, we'll go back for the 30 years where we don't fight. If we not live, we made a concentrate. Made a concentrate. I don't talk. They come and insult the interim government. Me, I spend how many months? Almost 6 months in the refugee camps. All the money we come out. Rich will take them, rent houses, feed refugees, pay medical bills, do things under the HSS of the interim government. I not see the other movement, they can't feed the refugees. IDPs are there, they're not feeding them. The interim government won't do anything, they can't cost them. We want to see you work. It's not fighting for power. It's too much with you. Girls already for day. Any man they do audio talk, oh, interim government, send this, all man they talk, interim government. Now the interim government they caution, now the same interim government they go ask for you. And when you were there, where were the inside come? I said 6 months inside the refugee camp, one camp to the other, from Obanliku to Amana, Utanga, Obudu, go right to Calabar, Abuja, Lagos, Waka. And not be see the people that they can fight today for power. They all know they call it and they do it today. They do it today, they can't hold, they will give account for my trip to Boya. They will give account for my trip to Boya. You know how many people they take care for them for ground zero? All those guys who are fighting there. When they come today, see, I need the kind of support interim government. At the top facts, I have documents. Till today, how's the way the interim government rent them? Refugee they stay for day. What you don't do? What you don't do? At the ask now, they can't insult interim government every time. I not be a member of the interim government. I don't care about them. Let's face the facts. Every day interim government, they are not perfect, but they are doing something, and that will be there for Ecom. What will work other place them? We will not be treat any man coming up for agency, coming up for Sokadev or anywhere. Till today, all the fighters, all the people who come in as refugees, we dare support them. We provide them relief material. We have to check face. Let the other movement tell us what they are doing with their own collection. They are collecting money. More Siam. 90s today, the house for refugees for Lagos, it can't expire. It expired in October. Let me see who they will move money. We go see rush back to the same interim government with the caution. If they don't pay the house rent, the refugees will back out in the street. The UN cannot do it all alone. The same IG will the caution. It hosts the refugees, pay their rent, medical bills. Only today, now how much we very poor spend for hospital? but you come and insult them. You ask for accountability. Me, I want accountability. I will always stand for accountability. But before you want to ask that man may give account, you can send my own account this, una bring una own. Let us all see. The Lord already for them, whether they work pro bono or they pay them. Now so interim government go take care. Now so them. I need to support them. But at the talk said these people are carrying out action, which we need to support and blame them where they go wrong. Now, White House certificate talk about sarcasm. I tell you, say, no, we're not here for sarcasm. Very clearly, I say, if you want to be sarcastic, you want to do a sarcasm, you resign. And I don't mince my words. And he understood. I'm not playing with anyone because we take risk. We will not get play for all we do for air. We will go find way for go back to homeland. But we will not continue this kind of thing. We put effort around the council. I need to support any man. I don't make all those surrogates of the interim government. When I left agency, maybe do your own work. Do your own. Everybody do your own. Because if you continue so, look what happened for Bui. Cap for the promoter. Say if two people they fight, it can pop, pick her up. Play audio them. Is that activism? That's not activism. Activism is fighting against the system which is oppressing the people. Activism is standing for the truth. It is your right to investigate. But when you don't get a one-sided mind, you come for insult, for expose without even having some facts. How could we organize meeting? I don't know, that is a very wrong move, and this has to end. Make ground zero one she done. At comes for tell say ground zero strategy this. Lab told that they say we get sniper there among us. Una be careful. Ground zero man no sleep. Now shut down for country. It finish. What will be the next plan of action? Now continue to hold the ground. Continue for civil disobedience. Continue for monitoring what happened on that side for East Cameroon. Continue for make sure say if you gave in a one Maggie, support the other man for ground zero. It is not easy for those on the ground. If it's a decision the way they take and say may they shut down country and so on, you know, it is not easy. So we for diaspora, we work now for support ground zero, may they hold the ground and not to be setting confusion, bring what political idea them, can they impose them on them? Come on for you go fight for people in that area. So you be gendarme for Britain Wood, you don't talk gendarme for all man. I don't say made that thing. The day I yes, I don't enter for Bafut. Now they would go no. So ground zero, una no worry. My owner say I give a support. All una for ground zero by any means. Anybody will get to me, even a private resources or na gusi put in one time. We go ever the center for una. Make una follow thing the way they go on, but una know how to select the good part from the bad one them. Any man when says he want a power for his sake, you want me to seize in a heavy King Kong. When I forget by when the time will reach, we organize election. I will win all them, or even have election. Because I'll come and say the things I've done. That is hurting the people. Instead of support them. So ground zero. So ground zero, no worry. After all the war, we must still smile because now we for ground zero, now we hold the struggle. Now when on the ground, we will count on. Now when I want to even decide who they will land for that territory or who they no go land. So many give me all the trade they make them. When I buy even a book or even for plantain leaf, even I don't get for inside bush. When I go for tree, it back. When I go the early man, when I begin right, they put up for day. The man too, they do the man. Not everything, because I feel the pain, I feel the suffering, I know the risk I they take. For now, at this stage of the struggle, make una no feel say or the fighting abruptly affect una for any way. We go sort ourselves here. We go shift the Fufukon from the Kende. Na so you get for be. But for una on the ground, una continue for keep up the resistance, the civil disobedience, and for all francophone them. We deter una, the French-speaking Cameroonians them. Max Senior Ivoire, that's other big camaraderie for that side. All with Nyozo go them, all with British nature them, all with all combatant the for that side for diaspora. For the Francophone side, oh, Carol, that was grand say. Now the time this will go for handles of resources, when we don't chase beer, that time, when I don't have to chase beer out, we continue our own plan of action. We will know the change of position from move towards Boya. But we got to monitor very well. Look what we incorporate in Tumfoy, Bohabeduan. A beautiful audio where it lifts our spirit, give you a sense of direction. That's what we need from what they call activism. So, Ground Zero, when I know what it is, my message for today, now for that Capo Daniel, would I other people that ghost for Facebook? So, when they put a never show their face, they can't write when I talk, they talk. They never make any man will get courage, make come, after they talk so, make can show his face. If you know to show your face for talk to you, it help people them. Be you quiet. Any man will walk na IG. So can agency. When I find work, if you are not married, find woman or master you married to here. Why when I married, when I get time for occupy when I say begin play begin for house. Why would you prepare for go back to homeland? Because one of the person I put away, some of the attitude they say, which man will accept, which man will accept them. People have to change their mindset. People have to change their mindset. Our people are going through enough pain on the ground. Any man with can cause confusion with this struggle, you don't know what people to go through. You never understand. Because people didn't get to it. The amount of mess they get every day by refugees that are picking nowhere, by grounds that they need this. We got to find ways, squeeze for year, go so come from this and that, only for support them. Now, so any man get for do. Support the people on the ground. That's all what they expect from you. All down a fight, and the man want be on top, or man want be president. We'll get 1,000 or 8 million president, or man be president for your own small area. And we get on turn, say president, my food. So grounds don't worry, now so the struggle day, and I understand say at a certain point we don't go blame this guy then because we got to be hospital for cure crazy people then because yes, we'll be hospital. Plenty psychiatric hospital put on pap because of waiting. We come up for a system where it don't make we don't craze. Now few people they know their brain is sitting correctly because some attitude in the way we don't tolerate them. But we don't understand. Say for 57, 58 years, Francophone system, the French system, not be Francophone, BI system. It don't make some of we want to start behave like BI. Now the problem that we're facing today. But when for ground zero, when I don't decide, say when I go fight to the end, it go reach on level where I go launch a campaign, make all my get hard, all we go ground zero. Me, I get a hard to go. It can't reach that time. More all we meet up for ground zero. Yes, we meet up for day so that if we want to fight, we'll fight to play, or we go fight, kill ourselves for day. It's so disappointing. So, ground zero, no worry, no worry. Anything a day, get to me on Facebook or if you get my WhatsApp number, get to me. I go try by every means possible for support Luna. Not be only support with material things. Only for talk soft words to people. Encourage people for ground zero. It be very important. And I tell all the commanders on the ground, make the show love towards one another. We will not be manipulated by people that for here they fight for their power, their interest, for money. Most of them have scandals with money. When I begin to watch, what did go on? I don't know already money what they send up for una. Because me, if you give me money when you insult me, I don't take them. Anglo-Saxon culture talks about the dignity. My don't know South Africa, you know what they call it, say dignity. The word is a constitution. But say a dignity. Now when Igbo man say, are they hungry by any longer? You do any catch for me because you get money. Okay, you get money. So make the money hook up. If you know where you get hania, make money hook up. It carry you, go put at hospital. You need people. You need to show love to the people. So ground zero, the message for una say, una try every means. Make the thing we will talk for diaspora may not affect una. Una just condition una mind say, after all, for October 1, we'll be organize ourselves and we'll be do a great job. So we for diaspora will be shocked by the way Ground Zero organize itself, by the way we wanna do things. by the way una carry out the preparation for the 1st of October, and that is a spirit. Una not allow ourselves to be discouraged by people who are power drunk, power mongers, people with the shit on. They think that how they go do GoFundMe or give collect money where they will ask account for another man. They don't give their own account. Una not give into all those things. The small way they send up for una and una manage their life with them. They need the kingdom man. They need the kingdom man. I know one year about killing. We know for the kill ourselves. We got a common enemy. Now be up with for all this shit. We simply tell what people are saying. They get a change of attitude. And for ground zero, we are going to show a lot of love. Now for the greatest love, wait on the door for October 1. We are continue for do one. And if some person he do something wrong, you know, no matter for kill the person. No, amber blood, you know the key amber blood. Now one spirit. So now the thing that way at the talk say all that 20 man plan for kill that man and all that one come on the side. Now BI system that's so. We don't have a copy where you eliminate your opponents, your political enemies. Not be so. We be Anglo-Saxon. We need the kingdom man. We want to make the revolution get to a point where when we reach for Boya, everybody it go feel at home, it go feel safe. Because if we not be careful, the amount of bad blood will flow for diaspora. Una go see them. Those are kids saving for diaspora. Una go see them. Me I see far. I see very far. Because the amount of power some people they want time. I didn't understand. I don't understand. They want get power at all costs. They want be in control. They cannot allow anybody to say anything. They're so incompetent when they don't take care. She don't for them. So they be this, they be that, they be minister. I don't say make all the me first propose and I say make all the leaders them they resign. May new people inside the very movement them they come up. We go see how many movement they go stand if their leaders no day today. I mean as of today. Majority they go collapse. I know what I talk because those people they so all of you show their face 1, 2. They will not be able to manipulate people the way some of the leaders are doing now. We got to protect ourselves. We got to show love. The greatest thing for now in times of war, now love towards your neighbor. Love your neighbor as yourself. And we got to pray very much. Ground zero. We got to pray very much. Because on the ground, it is not easy. One of the people get an invading army, an army of occupation. When it work and do targeted killing. They key for a corner yesterday, key for this side. You know? So we'll get for make sure say we watch against our enemy or the invading army. They collect them. Not necessarily they fight among themselves. You know, it's really baffling me. We'll get for show love. We'll get for show love. You know, not say you guys are disgracing us out there. Now, some people they be disgraced and grounds don't see them. In know who it be serious. In know who if he should also say now 2000 this. Put even an airtime, put data, even communicate. So may they continue to disgrace themselves. May they continue to disgrace themselves. But it go be, it no go easy. Henceforth, any man who want to destroy the revolution, even me, if I do something way wrong, my brother no hesitate to stop me, tell me, say, what you are doing is wrong. It no easy even for refugee camps. It no easy. Be I don't make what brain don't confuse. So people it be like what engine don't knock. Plenty engine don't knock people that brain. At the tell now, you know, over torture. You know, they put they don't come over that video, they never come over that video, they don't come dumb the inside Nigeria. So all that to make them the trauma is too much. Where we supposed to encourage them. We're supposed to come like the light. We're supposed to be the inspiration to the people. We're supposed to be people where we can give them a sense of direction for what we need to do. We're supposed to help them in prayers. We're supposed to support them by every means against an encroaching army. Give them alert. Which way it go on the other side. That's what we're going to do. So ground zero, I don't say this will happen for diaspora. na their own film. The reaction on the ground, and you find how they don't return and say, if you continue with your dirty attitude, and so what they say, they go school. So what they say, they go school. You know, you go school, then you when I do this, when I do no. My way go school, therefore big person way he go enlighten. You know, if big person way go show the way, where he go preach love. Because book it help to make you, it transform you into a useful person. More, you know, that school be the best. Because everybody that goes to school, they confuse more. Majority of them. What they professor, they be doctor, they never took injection. Yeah, they say there's one the doctor. Oh man, a doctor. The doctor never took injection. Oh, nah. I used to I did ask myself, what are we really up to? You know, if we not encourage people to ground zero. We continue this nonsense. What would they do for diaspora? Ground zero, and don't fear me personally. I dare for una back. If I be send anything for support una, I'm gonna do and respect. I'm gonna give una good advice, and I don't ever tell them ground zero. If someone call you for diaspora, tell you something, say go do the thing. Ask he say where to be a plan. What is his intention? What do you want to achieve? What does he intend to achieve? If I talk about here, you go shock. Two people the moment writing them, they will put them down, they read them. And then when they put the thing read them, that way consequence that come, they don't know what to do. So we not allow ourselves for being manipulated by whosoever, whether interim government or agency or modest or whosoever. Don't allow yourself to be manipulated. Una create una small community them. You know, where you go to control una get una leadership. When I'm going to lead them for inside each community, whether they will tell and say, give them good advice, best way show love, it show concern. Man, if you say you will not chop, no, he send you chop, why eat they hungry? Those are the kind of people we want to see. No people to come kill manipulate. The promise I say they're gonna go beat this, they're gonna beat that. Where? We never give even one piece, even one, no maybe an hectare. Even one, we never really get full command of the ground. Now, ground zero, hold the struggle. Don't give into them. Whether they can talk some kind of grammar like Shakespeare. They can talk in the past continuous tense. Give me. I don't know what is this guy really saying. I want my brain. You want to wrap my own cassette in my head. So don't listen to them. For now, when I hold the ground, be on alert. 247. And when I work up plenty for group, we will be very, very careful. And order a caliber that they want to take an order, tell you the order, we will be very, very careful. We will be on alert. We will be in a way if they touch one man, don't touch all man. Now the time this tone will show you for October 1, we will continue for show that unity. We will continue for disgrace this diasporans. People don't enter plane in the middle say they use a ship for go German country. Country cap and coat. Let us see that shit again next time. So ground zero, no worry. I'm my boys worry. Fire me, I fire you. Uno no go no. Uno no go no. Uno here, no go here. Uno here, no go here. Anytime I hear that song, make you an inspiration for fight, for no say the struggle. Now when I hold the struggle. No matter how which we will talk, you see, I know you should come for social media, come talk the way me at the talk, but it all is on level way we need to make sure say some people be called to order. Yes, they be called to order because when ground zero, I don't have any message today, more than 45. So what is happening? Why is this man doing this? Okay, we are waiting for him down there. Who am I? What do I do? So you need to tell them, and if they come, say they walk up now, make their live show, invite me. Make a talk, we. May I ask a question them? People just get up from their beds and become activists overnight, but it's becoming a joke. Oh man, an activist. People don't even know. Well, I don't know. To be abroad, Sam, you know, mission are the highest of things to do. People there on the ground with me and no way, una beat them intellectually. That means which one are the thing for ground zero. If una look October 1 no ground zero, una need to say that. Una look for October 1, they no be no. Even me, I don't know. But it was something incredible. And Yaoundé, it is fear. Say the ground is organized. So although they make what I know, they make a pom. Now judge, now air people them. They can't have control over you because you are the one to decide. You are the one to take the decision. And they preach love, but at the same time, you got to be firm. You got to know which way you're going to do and will be right. You know, I like disciplined people, respectable people. Now, whether I tell the one of the activism, why you feel say that they call your name for Oju, that they insult you? Why they never call my name? Or if you say you be the best, or if you say you be the best for they insult you, how you be activist? Person they do audio more than how many audios? How do you feel? My brothers and sisters, them, mommy with papa the inside bush, make una no worry. This thing it will come to pass. It will come to pass because that maybe talk say no turning back, no turning back. You know, we have decided to go to Boya. We have decided to go to Boya. We have decided to go to Boya. No turning back, no turning back. Anytime una sing that song, make it inspire una, make una get hope, the courage. Because if you tell some people just make the car for down, maybe you can send the money, they don't come. They know, oh la la. I don't tell that story, that young man. But even tell me the girlfriend, una the maid on a teacher on a nothing. Girlfriend see only armored car. But if that perfect day, he watch me. But if I tell me the girlfriend armored car, catching na so big. Say armored car shoot cat called mango tree big leg. Or na how na reduce on a circles. Me I no be do me maths. I be language student. He say, would the matter to know no armored car. I repeat it because I open my mouth so. Amoka a bullet, that's why a big le mango. You know the agri mango them. Amoka put mango tea down. A wipe coffee for line to and then person will face that kind of thing. Instead for you for the encouraging. You didn't have to take phone call United Nations. And then we'll clap for you. But when I continue on a power fight there. But the time don't reach. The time don't come. The time has come. For us to tell all those, whether for the internet government or where any man they can't disturb, we will come the tell one after the other. Where we will face the enemy. So for I don't talk for people for French Cameroon, all for diaspora, all combating them. Now the time to mobilize ourselves because in 2 weeks time, how they vote on the 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now, by the 21st so for the month of October, according to BIA lawlessness, now time they organize, they will announce the draw for election. And Professor Maurice Kamto don't talk say he don't win the election. All we get for stand for a back, and then when such thing happen, people for Yaoundé they don't check, they do audio, they say if I'm looking people they try, they don't make maybe a tribal matter. Make they not try. Because the 21st or 22nd when they go announce them, so that way forget before they announce the result. They go and they cook and make import them, they come and announce shit, say election. So at the time this way, people for diaspora will never prepare stock food for our houses because the way they go, Professor Kamto go stand strong, and if you bring any matter say they go arrest him, make they try. We go give support. When he get own country for that side, that time go be a good neighbor. Now so a day. Now the strategy. It go be our good neighbor. When one can take a visa. If you allow get embassy for that side, we fit decide to make an embassy. You go in for Central Africa. You want to take visa for video for your own. You want for Amazonia. You go Central Africa and go to poor embassy before you go take visa. You come. The resident permit. Ah la la. Man we know na through Gabonese. Tell them what they know what to be Ngunda. They know what to be story of Ngunda. All people for South. For Jobek. On about Durban. May they tell them what to be Ngunda. Oh la la. They never travel and see. May they tell them what to be Ngunda. Ngunda. They go to take Ngunda for come. they will reach for we, they can't take Ngunda. Because it not go easy too. But we not go hate everybody. Anglo-Saxon people will not hate anybody. The truth is I say, from now henceforth, we're going to be more on alert. Because even them for that side, even them, not say even them. Because now so the international community watch, what it go on. Biaros are trying for fraud, bring amnesty for somebody to say election be free and fair. At the same time, amnesty say no, so oh mommy why man? He say for amnesty, they don't catch it. Where he can fly, say it for amnesty. So you see, Bia it try for fraud, all man already know. Inside among them 5 days. So no surprise, say it is so, don't come for that side. It go build up advantage because all the equipment with them, they go carry them and go back for that side. For go defend their grandpa, the Atanganji they will come chop Ajoro. Now so in a few weeks to come, now the picture that will get to happen because me and the support Professor Maurice come to seriously, and that's what all they for do for defend that vote. Not fundi. Look at SDF. Now SDF that he also if I don't finish, SDF if I don't finish, how we do it? SDF if they get sent, no, if they for make it easy, you go join Professor Kamtu. But I want people them for now we fundi we say neck member neck people for neck. When I know man again neck, what do we mean neck? Now the kind of people in that. So now the time for support Professor Maurice Kamtu for encouraging. Make it stand strong, defend a victory. Other people already die, but it's like other people. So with the fear, say they will die. Say we fed their life. We all touch yourself. We do not waiting. We all touch your people. They go through. Now, why you see the Southern Cameroonian and the Anglo-Saxon will get our spirit when we stand for something. Even if we take the whole of the French army and add to yours, it will never bring the people down. And we have to continue that spirit. We have to continue that spirit. So the prayer for ground zero and I say, make a champ for that side. When Morika to hold grass say it must be for cheer. I don't even taste, I don't know what to do for outside. If you don't come go find some hotel, stay for day. Begin the word me, they can't bomb that power. Man the wear coat for wood shed. You see vent for power next so pass day for cheer. So it missing up in a he. Now that them. And then Njidi come for television, can one Professor Maurice come to say he go do so, say government he go do what? We go see who say you go run Gonji. We go do where go small. Who say you go run go? Where will you run to? So ground zero all the development happen for that some French Cameroon. It can give you an inspiration. It can give you a hope. When I forget about all the pom they make noise for here, they talk about civil liberty activists, they this and this and this and this. People who can't stand, and if they say they address a people, can they speak? What would they say? Nothing. So when I just forget about that one, when I want to be on the ground, when I go for the pray, more to get resources, more to sustain ourselves, and now what you see inside for the refugee side self, we try to make people they getting for do. Try to empower them, by workshop. We don't struggle to say, Makungo Family Charity don't donate workshop for refugee them. May they learn tailoring. That's what it for be. Now other big project there for open farms. May they begin work. When they work, they farm them. Shop they come out. They begin to have a society because we don't know when the thing will end. But now why we say